channel. So today I just went to Five Below and I got some squishies at Five Below. So Five Below, we came in the morning, not early in the morning, at 1 o'clock, and we found squishies. You won't believe what type of squishies we got. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy we got these squishies. First squishy I got is this cheese squishy. Next I got the Mega Nice Bird. And then I got two of these gummy bears. We're gonna box them all right now. So we're gonna put this on the floor. Let's do the gummy bears first. So we're gonna put up to this one. I think this is maybe orange or something. But let's open it up. Alright, let's see this. We got red! Wow! Wow! So good. They smell like needles, but so relaxing. Yeah. So we got red in that first one. We're gonna put this back in here. We're gonna put it back in the box. And right now we're going to Dollar Tree to get some things for the 4th of July. But tomorrow's the 4th of July. Today is June 30, July 30, July 3rd. Bro, I keep saying July 30. Since this is a little hard to put in the box, I mean, we're just gonna leave it outside the box. This is too hard. Now we're gonna open this one. I think it's green. It is green! We got Christmas colors! Wow! Okay, we're gonna leave this outside the box. I think, yeah, we're gonna leave it outside the box. Now, time for a big one. We're gonna start off with the cheese. So let's open it up. Okay, let's open the cheese up. Okay, let me take out these tapes out of here. And we're gonna open the cheese up. So, okay. Okay, so, wait, let's take the seed out of the box. It's a little hard. Okay, okay, let's do a squeeze test. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh yeah! So relaxing. Wow, love it. Okay, let's put it back in the box. So run to your Five Below to get these guys. Next is our mega nice bird. Iceberg. Wow, the cheese is it was really good. It was really easy to put back in this box. Okay, let's close this up. Close these back. Okay, next is our Mega Nice Bird. This is what I love. It's a Mega Nice Bird. It feels the same as it feels the same as the needle, the needles. They have the same textures in it. Okay. Oh, dang it. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to take out. Okay. Oh, whoa, this is so cool, guys. Let's squish it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! It's so relaxing, and it's a little bit hard to squish, but I love it. So yeah, I rate these 10 out of 10, all of them, like every single one of them. So if you want one of these, run to your Five Below in the morning, cause they restock in the morning, and if they have some, buy them. So yeah, thank you for watching my unboxing video, and run to your local Five Below to see if they have them. So yeah, these are all I got, and run to your local Five Below to see if they have some. Bye guys.